now what we will be doing is we will be going through the new chapter, which is odd one out, also called as classification. Now remember this thing, one thing which we will always focus on in classification question is the positive classification and the negative classification. My old students know this very well, but for all of you now who are joining with me for the first time, for you people, I want to tell you that there is a very fine line between positive and negative classification. Okay, for example, classification is actually about making groups. Okay, like see, if I give you a simple number like 3, 9, 12, 18, okay, and 20, then what can you do over here? What will be your answer? Tell me, everyone in the chat, which is the odd one out? 3, 9, 12, 18, and 20. Which one is the odd one out? No, I'll change my question. Only tell me the odd one out of 9, 12, 18, and 20 now. Just tell me the odd one out from 9, 12, 18, and 20. I'll still change my question. You'll be like, ma'am, why are you doing this? Now see, I'll do this. 6, 12, 18, and 20. Now tell me the odd one out. Still 20. Okay. You found it right. Listen, why I changed my question, I'll tell you. This is one group. Why is it one group? Because all the members of this group are divisible by 3 also, 6 also. All are divisible by 6. Okay. But 20 is the odd one out because it is not divisible by 6. So this is positive. Why? Positive classification. Why? Because 3 out of 4 members follow a rule and 1 out of 4 members do not follow the rule. If you want to note it, you can note it. Okay, this is something which we will do in our questions. Positive classification. 3 out of 4 members should follow a rule, form a group, and 1 out of those 4 members should not follow the group. That will be my answer, odd one out. Yeah, Shivansh, I'll tell that. Wait, don't worry. Okay, Veera, wait. Fine. Now, what can happen in a negative classification? What do people do as a mistake? Just know what mistakes other students did so that you will not do that mistake. So, see, 12. 12 is, I can say that 12 is the only number which is divisible by 12. Rest, any other number is not divisible by 12. Correct? I can say this, that 12 is divisible by 12 alone and no other number is divisible by 12. So 12 is my answer. Well, this will be considered as a negative classification, not the correct answer. Why? Because I am saying that 1 out of 4 is following a rule and 3 out of 4 is not following the rule. So we are actually not making a group here. That is the problem. We are not making a group. There is no similarity between the remaining 3 numbers. There is only one specific. But just like that, you can say that 18 is also the odd one out because no number is divisible by 18 except 18. So that is why we will not prefer this method. That is called as negative classification. We'll avoid negative classification. We'll only focus on positive classification where 3 out of 4 members are following a rule and 1 is not following a rule. Okay. Now, see, now there is a condition of ambiguity. I'll just tell you that it rarely happens in a question, but if it happens, you can, demand for a extra marks in the Olympiads or in any exam you come across. Okay. Like, see, what can be the ambiguous answer here? Here, 6 can also be the answer. Tell me why in the chat. 6 can also be the answer. Why? Why is it different from the others? Anyone in the chat? Very good, Shivansh. Very good, Swarnim. Very good, Harnit. That's absolutely correct. Harnit, check the spelling of digit. It's a one-digit number. Very nice, Vanya. It's a one-digit number. Viona, you joined after 21 minutes. Okay, I'm checking that. Amoka, one-digit number. Correct. So there can be two possible answers. This is called as ambiguous question. That means this question can have multiple answers. Okay. So this rarely happens, but if it happens, you can demand a question like score or a mark. Okay. Don't worry about that. Yes, Viona, say.
Ma'am, I had another class, so I had to go. So I came late.
Okay, Viona.
I
Fine.
had to go there.
Okay, no problem. Say Amoka.
Ma'am, after 1/4, what you written, ma'am?
Following a rule.
Thank you.
Well, okay, so if you are done noting it down, you can type a done in the chat. Okay, or if you are writing, then write a wait in the chat so that I will wait for you. Otherwise, I'll skip to the first part. So classification also, just like analogy, will be based upon GK, maths, English, group of letters, and similarly. Okay, so I've got some wait in the chats from Shivin and Shivansh. So I'll wait for you people. Okay. And anyone remembers why I deleted 3? I deleted 3 from this group because 3 will be the only odd number as well as this number also, prime number also. That is why I deleted this. Okay. Just for information, what is prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by itself and 1. No other number in the table divides prime numbers. Okay. That is prime numbers. Prime numbers will be one of the most commonly used logics in the upcoming questions. Say, Hannet.
Ma'am, classification is my favorite part in analogy.
Wow, that's nice, Hannet. Okay, fine. So, Shiven, Shivan's done. I'm just waiting for you to take in screenshot. Very good, Navya. Done, Shiven. Shivansh, just waiting for you. Swarnim done. Kirtana done. Yeah, Moka.
Ma'am, I can't understand 6, 12, 18, 20. No, ma'am, after that, ma'am.
I've
What
written one group. All members of this group are divisible by 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayush, I'm waiting. Ayush and Shivansh, once you give me a confirmation, I'll move to the next screen. Done, Ayush. Thank you. Shivansh, I need a confirmation from you only. Amoka, you also. Done, Shivansh. Okay. Here comes the most easiest question for the day. Okay, Amoka, thank you. Make a group, please. Make a group. Make a proper group and find out which one is not following the group. Well done. So far, I got 2 correct answers from Harnit, Meera, and third one from Amoka. Fourth from Kirtana. Shivansh, really? Dhruv, why? Tell me a logic. Viona, why? Tell me a logic. Correct, Shiven. Thank you for the logic. Jian, logic. Why? Ayush, correct. Arav, correct. Yes, Arav, that's the correct logic. Good. Carnivorous. Good, good, Swarnim. So elephant, deer, horse, and cow. These four of out of 5 are herbivores. Are herbivores. And only fox, that is 1 out of 5. Very good, Amoka, is a carnivore. So my answer will be option D. Yes, Aditya, ask.
Ma'am,
Good,
you
Meera.
don't see my answer.
Oh, wait, I'll see it now. Aditya, that's the correct answer. Very nice, Navya, that is the correct answer. Shivansh, say.
Ma'am, what is herbivorous and carnivorous?
Those animals which eat only green fruits, green vegetables, green leaves are called as herbivores, and those who eat meat is called as carnivore. Okay, Shivansh?
Okay.
Shivansh is enjoying in a beach. Harnit, say.
Ma'am, you didn't see my logic.
Yeah, I saw your logic. Wait. Herbivores one group, carnivores odd one out. Correct. Very good. Yes, Jian, say.
Ma'am, that can
Hmm.
we do like this also, that cow gives milk, but other animals does not give milk, no ma'am.
See, we don't use the milk of other animals, Jian, but they do give milk. All are mammals. Okay, so they feed their babies with milk only, Jian. We don't drink their milk, we don't use their milk, but they do give milk, Jian. You will learn it in science, okay, later when you will study. Okay? It's good. You can ask me questions like that. If you ask me questions, you will be clear. Say, Meera.
But that would be the negative approach, that one can and others cannot.
Yes, of course. That would still be a negative approach if I consider that one is following something and others are not doing something. That makes it a negative approach as well. Correct, Meera. Thank you. Now let's do another question quickly. Here comes another question, a very interesting human body based question. So this is yet another question from science. Science. Wow, so many correct answers. Shivin with the correct logic also. Swarnim, Harnit, Amoka, Meera. Very nice. Shivin is the only one who gave me the correct logic so far. Swarnim, Harnit, Amoka, try to type the logic. Well, Vivan, that's not the right answer. Arav, that's not the correct answer. Jian, very good, that's correct. Harnit, that's the right logic. Swarnim, absolutely correct. Shivansh. Shivansh, your logic is correct, but your answer is wrong. That means you're confusing in the name. What is a thigh? What is a ankle? What is a wrist? What is a toe? What is a foot? That's not the correct answer, Vyona. Arav correct. Meera correct. Logic. Vyona, Arav correct. Okay. Aditya, not the right answer. Kirtana, thank you for the logic. That's the correct answer. Ronak, that's not correct. Dhruv, Shivansh, correct answer. Fine. Amoka, correct logic. Very nice. So I'll make something. All right. So this part is your thigh. Yes, Vivan, that's correct. This part is your knee. Knee is not in the question. This part is your leg, normal leg. Okay. This is your ankle. This is your toe. This is your foot. So 4 out of 5 are parts of your leg. Thigh, ankle, toe, foot are parts of my leg. And 1 out of 5 is a part of hand, not a part of leg. And that is wrist. What is wrist? This is wrist. People should remember it with the help of wrist watch, right? So wrist watch is worn in wrist. Yes, Kirtana, say.
Miss, when we put watch or bangle, that is called wrist.
Correct. And that will be termed as option C as the correct answer here. Very good, Kirtana. Thank you. Done, everyone. No doubts, no confusion in this question. Should not have any. It's very easy. Now we'll go to question number 3. This one is choose the odd pair. That's the correct logic, Jian. Very nice. Very good, Shivin. That's the correct logic and the answer. Harne Damoka, correct answer. Choose the odd pair. Very good, Ronak. Correct answer. Try to write the logic also. Very nice, Swarnim Vivan. Very good, Vanya. Hey, wait. Oh, yeah, correct. Meera, there's no option E, Meera. Ayush, correct. Good, Swarnim. Thanks for the logic. Vyana gone wrong here. Jian gone wrong here. Meera, correct answer. I'll just give you 25 seconds more. Aditya, correct. Dhruv, correct. Arav, correct answer. Jian, correct answer now. Harned, very good logic. Very nice. Very good, Ronak. That's the correct logic. Very nice, Navya. But that's the point. It's not about making something. It's about the relation, Navya. Yes, Amoka. Connected to work. Very good, Meera. Shivansh, that's the correct thing. All right, time for me to explain the question. Very good, Dhruv. That's the right answer. So for those who gave the answer as A, I have something for you. Then I'll take your doubts. Okay, Vyana Harnit. Jian, Kirtana, Vivan, that's right. Thank you. Now let us concentrate. So, doctor is related to disease. How? The doctor treats the diseases. The doctor treats the diseases. The chef makes the food. The driver drives the vehicle. But is there a relation between a teacher and a principal? This is all related to the work they do. The first one does the work. So this is related to the work they do. So doctor treats the diseases, chef cooks the food, driver drives the vehicle, teacher teaches the students. So teacher's work is teaching, not related to principal. So that makes it the odd one out, option D. Is it clear now? Harnit, why were you raising your hand? Navya, is it clear?
Ma'am, could you go to the last question?
Yes.
The ankle wrist one.
Yeah.
Ma'am, over here we use negative approach.
No. I am making a group of 4 of them falling in one category. All of them are parts of legs.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, Arnab. All right. Now, fine, it's 34. No, let's do one more question. So here is another choose the odd pair. Shiven, take some time, Shiven. Without showing the question, I know that you have gone through the reading material, but please don't do it in such a way that I get to know that. Type it after some time. Okay, Shiven. Fine. Harned Amoka Swarnim correct. Shiven, Harned Amoka Swarnim correct answer. Tell me the logic in the chat, everyone. Navya, that's the wrong answer. Aditya, correct. Swarnim, correct. Logic. Aditya, correct. Vivan, not right. Harnit, correct. Logic. Navya, correct answer. Swarnim, correct. Logic. Ronak, correct answer. Shivansh, correct answer and logic both. Meera, correct. Vivan, wrong. Ayush, wrong. And Swarnim, how many times will you write the logic? Kirtana, correct answer, correct logic. Arav, did you answer? Ayush, correct answer. Then, Vyona, why are you not answering? If you're not understanding any particular thing, you will tell me. Navya, the logic is correct. Vanya, the logic is correct. Ronak, the logic is correct. Jian, that's the correct answer. Well, Dhruv, that's not the correct answer. Okay, Amoka, that's the right answer. Good, good, good. Okay, so now it's my time. Sudden is the opposite of usual. Like usually I take classes at 10 a.m. on Sunday, but suddenly I took a class at 9:30 on this Sunday. So this is sudden, usual, opposite. Something is really beautiful, something is really ugly, opposite. Something is clear, something is dirty, opposite. But aged means old only. They are synonyms. What are they? Synonyms. Same meaning words. Same meaning words are called as synonyms. So how can this question be done? There are 4 pairs. 3 out of 4 are antonyms, that is opposite. And 1 out of 4 is synonym. Fine. 3 out of 4 antonyms, 1 out of 4 synonyms. Okay, that was a good question. You people did it so quickly. All right, I'll leave this question for you people. You can try this on your own first, and then we'll go for a break. Okay, Shive. So I named wrong answer. Oh, I understood why Swarnim gave this answer. Well, yes. This is a little ambiguous here. What we can do here is, wait a second, let me think. What should I do here? I'll add a 20 here. People, I'm adding a 20 here. Look. Changing the question a little bit. Adding a 20 here. Please change your answer and tell me. Sorry. Okay. Logic. Okay, those who are saying me the answer is 20, can you tell me a logic for that? Vivan, tell me.
Ma'am, it's because there is a 0 at the end and
No.
all the
No. That's negative approach. You can't specially call out a number for that. Okay, Vivan, you have to make a group that 4 will follow a thing and 1 is not following something. Yes, Swarnim. And Shivansh, that is wrong. Even number is 56 also and 20 also now. No 0, Kirtana. Navya, say.
Have you seen my answer?
What is your answer?
Ma'am, C 73.
C is 63.
Yes, ma'am, I mean that D only.
D 73. Well, that's the right answer because 49, 56, 63 and 20 are composite numbers. Do you know what is composite numbers? Any number which can be divisible by more than 2 numbers is called as composite numbers. Apart from 1 in itself, if any other number in the table divides 49 like 7, 56 like 7, 63 like 7 again, 7, 3, everything, 21. So these numbers divide 63, these numbers divide 20. So that's why they are composite numbers. out of them, 73 is the only number which is not composite. It is a prime number. So that's why 73 is my answer. But this question could have been ambiguous if I don't add a 20, because 56 is the only even number here. So that's why I added 20. Okay, thank you. Say Meera. Yeah, Navya, we'll go for a break now.
Even if will be no 20, all the numbers are divisible by 7 except 73.
Yes, that is true. But the thing is that there is a condition of ambiguity, no, Meera? 56 is the only even number here. So that can also be the answer.
Yeah.
So that's why I added a 20. Okay, Shiven, say.
Ma'am, 20 could also be the answer because all rest are multiples of 3, ma'am, except 20.
No, no, no. 73 doesn't comes in the table of 3. 72 does. 73 is not in the table. Okay.